Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Well, since I got lucky and recorded one cutthroat trout caught in this hole here, I think I'll give her another try. There's a nice hole right on the left-hand side of that big boulder that's right in the center of your screen. Let's get to this. Why? Because we're burning daylight, and that's one thing you don't do when you fly fish. baby. That's what I'm talking about. It's a rainbow trout. I can keep this, but I'm going to let it go. Like I say, a rainbow trout. Yeah. Now, needless to say, these rocks are treacherous in here. And like I said in an earlier video, I'm in my stocking feet because I lost one of my wading boots. Yeah. But that was a rainbow trout, about a 16-incher. I could have kept that fish, but I decided to let him go. Class example, ladies and gentlemen, of fly fishing in the state of Montana. Okay, I'll run down my gear here real quick. Not that it matters, but this is a Ride McGill Dragonfly reel. I always use, the backing is Cortland Micron backing. I always use Cortland stuff. My rod is a 9-foot 5-weight takedown 4-piece jobber. It's a Fenwick HMG. This fly line, this green fly line, is weighted forward number 5, Cortland Rocket Taper 444, and my tippet is a floral, and my leader is a 12-foot fluorocarbon leader, 12-foot long, and it's 5X on the end. And I'm using a number 14 size Parachute Adams dry fly. There you go. Let me turn this camera off. I think I have got all the fun today I can stand, and my feet are really taking a beating. I still got to make it back to my pickup. Ooh. Hey, this is a lot of work doing these videos this way. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for the review. Have a nice day.